Hey, it's Steve. I hope you're doing well today. Is your family growing? Are you thinking about getting into a bigger home? I want to give you a quick little preview of this awesome house I just showed in the North Valley. Got some land out here. Nice little gated area for horses. So I just want to talk to you about upgrading your current home. If you currently own a home and you are thinking about getting a bigger home, there's a lot involved into transitioning. So you have to think about if you're able to get qualified for both homes. So it's important to speak with the lender to see what program you're going with, how much down payment do you need, and what your home is currently worth, how long it's going to take to sell. So first thing you want to think about is if you can get qualified for both homes, it makes the transition a little bit easier. That way you can purchase your new home before you have to sell your current home. If you have to sell your current home, then a lot of times you have to do a same-day closing, or you have to sell your home, live with some family, or live in a short-term rental before you're able to close on the new home, because a lot of times people need money from the current home to put down on the new home. So that's number one, because a lot of people start looking at homes, but they don't know if they qualify. They don't know where their credit's at. They just know they need a bigger house for their family. So if you're over a 660 credit score, preferably over 700, you can possibly go a conventional route, which is lower mortgage insurance, and that'll be helpful if you're currently on an FHA loan, because you can't have two FHA loans at the same time unless you have, I believe it's 74% loan to value. So you have to have 74% equity in your home, and you have to get an appraisal to verify that. So first, check if you're currently on an FHA loan. See if you can go conventional. See if you can qualify for both homes at the same time. So reach out to me and I can partner you up with a great lender. That way we can pull your credit, see where it's at, check your income, check your debts, see if you can go the conventional route, see if you can get qualified for both homes. And it's a little bit of a tough transition because a lot of people are like, well, I don't know what home I want to buy yet. Well, right now, properties are tending to get multiple offers. So we're right off Edith. Check out that little balcony there. So if you're interested in a house and you really love it, you don't want to lose it, but you're not pre-qualified yet, you may be upset because the seller is going to want a pre-qualification letter, a pre-approval letter from a lender saying that you have been pre-qualified. They've checked your finances, your debts, your debt to income ratios, and your credit. So a lot of people need to sell before they can buy, which means they have to write a contingent offer. So you can't purchase the home until you sell yours, which means the seller on the other end is going to be a little bit wary, especially if they get multiple offers. Say they have a buyer that's willing to purchase the home without a contingent offer, then they're going to take that offer over yours because they're not going to wait around for you to sell your house before you can purchase the new house. So it's best if you can get qualified for both the homes at the same time, and we want to make sure that your home is going to sell fairly quickly once you purchase a new home, because you don't want to be paying for two houses. You don't want to be homeless. So shoot me a message. Let's sit down. We'll go over your current property. We can go over some comparables. We can check what type of loan you're on. We can check what type of financing is best for you. If you want to take that little bit of a risk with purchasing before you sell. Some people are a little bit afraid because they don't want to be paying for two homes at the same time, because it takes about 30 to 45 days to close on a house. So if you purchase a home, you can move out and then put your home on the market. But there's a lot of moving parts to selling a home and buying a home at the same time. Another option is renting your current house out. So you can show a lease and you can show that the house is rented to the lender so they don't have to hit you with the debt. And then you can purchase a new home, move out, rent yours out. but a lot of people are kind of afraid of rentals. So just wanted to share a little bit of that knowledge with you. Shoot me any questions you have. So click on the link. You can start searching homes. Just get a rough area of where you want to be at. But shoot me a message. We can sit down. We can go over your current property. We can do a valuation of your home, see what it's worth, how long it's going to take to sell. From there, we can start looking at homes, searching homes, figure out if you need to sell before you buy, or if you're going to do a same-day closing. We can do a same-day closing where you sell your home in the morning, purchase your home in the late morning, early afternoon. But a lot of the times you have to move out the same day, or we can try to do like a lease back for a day or two to give you some time to move. But we usually do it where you're packed up, ready to be moved. You close on both homes in the morning, move in the afternoon into your new home, and you get your money from your sale, you get into your new home. So there's a lot of moving parts. Once again, financing is important. What type of loan you're currently on is important. Can you qualify for both homes? And what your time frame is like. What type of property you're purchasing. If you're purchasing a foreclosure or a short sale, those can tend to take longer. And if they need more work, that could be a problem for the financing. So here to help you out, answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying your day. Stay cool out there. If you and your family are growing and you want some land like this house, let me know. I'd be happy to help you find the right one, help you sell your current home. We have backyard access here, 2-car garage, a nice little barn, North Valley home, ready to go. Clean floors. So we're gonna help a client sell their current home and move into this one. We'll keep you posted on how it goes. Have a good day.